Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the August Wi-Fi smart lock. Is it a game changer or just another gadget? Stick around for my verdict at the end. You might be surprised. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. These pros and cons are based on actual user experiences, but they don't cover everything. I'm here to give you a quick rundown to help you decide if this lock is worth a closer look. First up, the good stuff. This little gadget is a breeze to install. No need to call your handy neighbor. It fits right over your existing deadbolt, easy peasy. And talk about playing well with others. Whether you're Team Alexa or Google Home, this lock's got your back. It'll slide right into your smart home setup like it's always been there. Now here's where it gets fancy. Imagine walking up to your door and bam, it unlocks automagically. Then it locks behind you when you leave. It's like having your own invisible butler. You can check if your door's locked, let your friends in, and see who's been coming and going. It's like a bouncer for your house, but way friendlier. Plus, it looks pretty slick on your door. No bulky eyesores here. But hold up, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This thing is thirsty for batteries. You'll be changing them more often than you change your socks. Okay, maybe not that often, but you get the idea. It can be as flaky as that friend who always cancels plans last minute. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's like a moody teenager. Sometimes it works perfectly, other times it leaves you hanging at your own front door. If something goes wrong, getting help can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending phone menu. Not fun. And heads up, Apple fans, if you're all about that HomeKit life, this lock might not be your jam. So, what's the verdict? If you're cool with changing batteries more often than you'd like and can live with some Wi-Fi hiccups, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock offers some pretty sweet features. But if you're looking for something ultra-reliable or you're pinching pennies, you might want to keep shopping. That's the scoop on the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. What do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd give it a shot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest smart home reviews. Catch you in the next one.